Good day, everyone. My name is Kaniselvi Arasu. I'm honored to be here at the second International TVET and Entrepreneurship Conference. I'm currently a lecturer at Polytechnic Oma, where I specialize in teaching of second language. My research and work focus on linguistic and sociolinguistic. I'm pleased to introduce my conference partner, Dr. Sriraj Durlingam, who is also a lecturer at Institute Pendidikan Guru Campus Ipoh. We have been collaborating on utilizing real life situation role play in enhancing mock job interview, a study on the effectiveness of immersive learning approach. In today's competitive job market, effective interview skills play a crucial role in securing employment opportunities. Job applicants are often required to demonstrate their abilities, experience, and qualification through a face-to-face interviews. However, many individuals experience anxiety and struggle to perform at their best during job interview. To address this challenge, educators, career development professionals have explored various strategies to enhance interview preparation and performance. One such strategy is the use of role play, which allows individuals to engage in stimulated interview scenarios that replicate real life situations. This immersive learning approach offers an opportunity for the job applicant to practice their skill, receive feedback, and build confidence in a controlled environment. The study aims to investigate the effectiveness of utilizing real life situation through role play in enhancing mock job interview. At our Polytechnic institution, one of the featured courses is DUE 532, Communicative English 3. As part of this curriculum, students are mandated to participate in a stimulated job interview designed to prepare and enhance their skill for future career opportunities. Students may encounter various challenges when participating in a mock job interview. These challenges can impact their performance and overall learning experience. Some common challenges include nervousness, anxiety. Mock job interviews can be stressful, especially for students who lack of prior knowledge. Nervousness and anxiety can hinder their ability to articulate well and showcase their skills effectively. Some students display a lack of confidence. Students may struggle with self confidence, leading them to doubt their abilities and perform poorly during the mock job interview. Besides that, some of them are unfamiliar with the interview format. Students might be unfamiliar with different interview formats such as behavioral interviews or panel interviews, which can make them feel unprepared for the mock job interview scenario. To address these challenges, lecturers can create a supportive and non judgmental environment role play to help to reduce anxiety and encourage students to perform at their best during mock job interviews. These are the objectives of this study to assess the effectiveness of incorporating immersive learning, to examine the impact of immersive learning on participant active participation, to explore participants' perception and attitude towards immersive learning, to identify challenges and limitation, and finally to provide insight for educators, career counselors, and training professions on the benefit and limitation of immersive learning in job interview preparation. In this study, the researchers have selected a group of students, the experimental group, which undergoes the learning immersive approach with real life situation and role play. By using an experimental research design, the researchers can establish a cause and effect relationship between the learning approach and the improvement in interview skills. The questionnaire source will be attributed to the researchers and the research team adapted from previous research. The use of SPSS will further help in analyzing the data and drawing meaningful conclusions from the study results. The participants are students who take Communicative English 3. The age range of the participants can be divided from 18 to 26 years old, and the participants' gender are 70.7% male and 29.3% female. The participants are from various departments such as engineering and electrical studies. Participants from the experimental group will be asked to provide feedback and perception about their experience with immersive learning approach through a structured survey. The collected data will be analyzed using SPSS to collect information about their experiences with immersive learning approach. By employing this methodology, the study aims to provide empirical evidence on the effectiveness of utilizing real life situation in enhancing mock job interview through an immersive learning approach. In this section, we will discuss the insights of the findings. Around 45.7 students strongly agreed role-play activity can enhance my strategy to learn communicative English courses, and 0% have disagreed to this statement. In conclusion, a large part of respondents saw the role play action as a good activity for upgrading their technique in job interview. These discoveries recommend that role play is seen as an advantageous and viable approach for attending a job interview. More than 80% of the students agreed that the advantages of using role play outweigh the disadvantages. Only 1.1 student disagreed to this statement. The majority of respondents believe that the advantages of using role play are more substantial than the disadvantages. However, it is important to consider that these perceptions may vary from individual based on the experience in which role play is being implemented. A large number of respondents believe that role play is a valuable platform for increasing their knowledge in job interview topic. However, it is important to consider that individual perception and experience may vary, and some participants may have different views on the effectiveness of role play for these purposes. Based on the data in Table 5, the respondents experienced anxiety while talking and experienced job interview roleplay. A large part of students, which is 57 respondents, empathically agreed that they have anxiety while carrying out the roleplay. The data suggests respondents do be afraid when experimenting with mock job interview and have emotional battle while conducting the roleplay. In conclusion, the findings of the utilization of role play as a compelling strategy for planning work candidates for interview, such as positive impact of role play interview performance, benefits of role play, bridging the gaps with real life scenarios, and practical learning with role play. Despite encountering uneasiness and situational issues, the respondents' positive state of mind towards role play highlight its potential to overcome anxiety and communication issues by making a reasonable and challenging scenario. Role play encourage ability and advancement. Future inquiries to explore the personal language proficiency that will impact the capability of role play, facilitation, and consider joining extra strategies to address the uneasiness and meeting the objective. Thank you.